Hi friends, David Watts here. Thanks so much for subscribing and liking our videos. I really sincerely hope that they're helpful and help you learn to use Luminar, and mostly just to have a little more fun with your photo work and to get better results quicker. That's my interest and hope it helps just a little bit. Someone asked me if I could talk a little bit about this filter for LUT mapping, and it's something I've been exploring and playing with just a bit and thought I'd share the little bit that I think I understand about it. So let's do that. I think in 4 minutes we'll have a much different look for this image. So here we go. This is a raw image file. I've added this filter for LUT mapping, and by the way, you can find that under the professional section. You'll find it right here, LUT mapping. You might, if you want to use it, make it one of your favorites. Anyway, with this filter, if you'll click choose LUT and load custom LUT file. And I've just got some that I've saved that I found from around the internet. If you'll simply Google LUT, L-U-T, or free LUT files, or LUT photography, free download. If you have any trouble, let me know and I'll find some links for you. But I found one that includes some simulations of the Fujifilm simulations. And let's try this out. And by the way, a LUT, this LUT stands for lookup table. And I won't pretend to know all the details about it, but essentially it tells Luminar for this kind of color value, change it to this kind of value. And I think it will probably become sort of a future de facto standard for simulations and filters of this sort. Anyway, let's use this classic Chrome LUT file. Many of you, if you're a Fujifilm fan, you've used the classic Chrome simulation in camera, and this comes reasonably close, I think. Now, it may have gone by kind of fast. Let's look before. So there's the original raw file, and there it is afterwards. Got that classic Chrome, a little bit of a desaturated look. And so right away, you get a much different sort of look. If you need to play with the intensity of that LUT filter, you can tone it down. So you can fine-tune it a little more for your likes. But let's keep it 100% right now. The second thing I would do is probably boost that a little bit with the AI filter. And maybe not too much, but just for a little bit of extra punch. And then I think I would come down here. Actually, I don't have it right here. I would have to add structure. And again, usually if you've seen my other videos, I'll bring down the structure a bit and apply it then just to the model's face. And that tends to give a very nice skin smoothing kind of effect. It tends to be nice and flattering for our models. And so in 4 minutes, maybe less, here is a quick and easy way to radically change the look of your image. So again, there's the original. I like it, but I like this style more in the classic Chrome sort of look with a little skin smoothing. And so again, if you will Google LUT files or photography LUT or free LUT files, you'll be able to find those. Save them in a folder somewhere so you can get back to them. Each time you use it, you'll need to come in here and load the one you want. What's kind of nice is after you've used it, they'll be listed here in recents. Your version of Luminar, depending on when you bought it and if there was some promotion with it, you might have some that you can download, or there may already be some sort of listed here. Let's just take one of these at random. Some of them you won't like, and some you'll say, well, that's pretty cool. So this did not make much of a difference. Let's try one of these others real quick, just to get a more significant difference. There you go. So you see it's a significant sort of change. It's an interesting way to get a totally different look for your images. It's more than just a sort of pre-defined filter, but rather it's more of that lookup table. You know, this value becomes this value. It's more of a predictable sort of thing that you can also tailor, which I think gives it a lot of power. You can even adjust contrast, adjust saturation a little bit, and of course you can use all your other AI filters. So hope that might help a little bit. That's super quick, but it's a super quick tool, and hope that might help you just a bit. Anyway, have a good day. If you like what we do, give us a quick thumbs up, and we'll keep making more. Take care. See ya. Bye.